My name is Danny Mokla, the CEO of HealthTech Ghana Limited. One of our key missions for HealthTech is to deliver excellent dialysis service across Ghana. And as part of that mission, we want to make sure quality of the machines are good, affordable, we have technical support. In terms of consumable, they are readily available, they are affordable, and as and when they need it, they get it. And the most important thing is also the WRO, which is the reverse osmosis setup for the water quality. As you may be aware, we test it to WHO standards. We also make sure every hospital that has more than 10 machines have 2 RO, one serving as the main and one as backup, to reduce disruption to the service. Because if only one RO is used and there's a problem with it, then the service is disrupted. Patients have to go elsewhere. So because of that, any place, any hospital with more than 10 machines, we do, whether you order it or not, it comes with a backup RO so that you have uninterrupted service of dialysis in the hospital. So this is our biggest dialysis facility, which is Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital, of about 30 machines. And we have engineers already on the ground making sure they solve every issue the clinicians and the nurses all face. That is part of our promise to our customers. We are obsessed with our customers' happiness. We want to delight them by making sure we anticipate their need and we deliver to their specification and requirement.
Hi, I'm Jerry, a field service engineer with HealthTech Ghana Limited. We are here at the Korle-Bu Urology and Nephrology Center of Excellence, one of the biggest dialysis facilities in West Africa. And we are going to show you our dialysis setup, beginning with the water reverse osmosis system. We opted for the dual water reverse osmosis system, a system that has a backup water reverse osmosis system and a primary water reverse osmosis system. So with that, we'll begin with the primary system, which is from here to this side. It takes up this amount of space. So with the primary water reverse osmosis system, just as the backup, it has similar features. So it first goes through a pre-treatment phase where ions and chloramines are removed from the water. So to start here, it goes through a sand filter, which filters large particles that were missed by the particulate filters we have at the back of the raw water holding tank. Then from the sand filter, it goes into the ion exchanger, which takes up all the magnesium and the manganese ions within the water. Then it goes into the softeners. So the softeners basically make the water soft, remove the hardness from the water with the help of brine and resin beads in there. Then the next one is the carbon filters. The carbon filters remove odor and chloramines from the water to ensure that it is safe for dialysis. It then goes through 2 particulate filters of different size, 0.5 and 0.1 micron filters. From there, it then enters into our main water reverse osmosis system, which is the central water plant 63. Then from the central water plant 63, it then goes into our product water tank. It's then fed through a series of water and UV light sterilizers and endotoxin filters before it's sent to the various rooms to be used by the dialysis machines for treatment. That is basically the first part of it. And this system is isolated from the backup system. So the backup system functions on the same principle. The only difference is the primary system has automatic heads. When I say automatic heads, I mean that the heads on the various pre-filters do backwash, rinsing, and regeneration. That is in the case of the softeners, automatically, without any intervention. But with the backup system, everything is manual. So in the case that there's a power failure, we could still use the backup system. So with the backup system, it also has a similar concept. It has a sand filter, the ion exchanger, a softener, 2 carbon filters to remove the chloramines. Then at the back of the main RO system, this is the RO system with the RO membrane. It has 3 particulate filters at the back, each of different sizes from 0.5 to 0.1 micron filters. Then it comes through the entire RO system. It goes to the product water holding tank. Then from the product water holding tank, it goes through the UV light filter at the back here. Then through the 2 endotoxin filters at the back before it's sent to the rooms for treatment, right? So for this system, it's actually quite simple. The system share only two things in common. They share the product, the holding raw water tank, and the holding product water tank. Those are the only two things that both the primary and secondary system share in common. Aside from that, everything is independent and isolated.
Hi, my name is Tina, nurse in charge for UGMT Dialysis Unit. This is our water treatment area. This is where we filter all the water we receive from Ghana Water Company, take them through series of process, and this is our RO. That's our reverse osmosis supplied by HealthTech Ghana Limited, which filters all the water that we use. So I have here AK98 machine from Baxter. This was installed by HealthTech Ghana, and we've been using this machine since the inception of the dialysis unit. This dialysis machine has lots of safety features, and I personally like it because you wouldn't bypass an action. It would demand you to follow the steps, and you would have to do that for the safety of the patient.
This machine is very user-friendly. Any dialysis nurse will be able to learn how to use this machine within the shortest possible time. This machine will prompt you whenever you have to do something. Right from the start, when you switch on the machine on the power button and the machine is ready, it will tell you that it is time to connect your concentrates. When the dialysis or the dialysis fluid is also ready, the machine will prompt you and tell you that the fluid is ready, so you can connect your fluid tubes to your dialyzer and you can begin your treatment. Also, during the treatment, if any problem is faced, the machine will make sounds to alert the nurse to come closer and look. The sounds are color-coded. There's the red, the yellow, and the blue. The red will tell you that you need to quickly attend to the patient. The yellow is maybe if the acid concentrate or the bicarbonate is done and needs to be replaced. Or the blue is maybe you'd have to come around, make some adjustments to the patient's ultrafiltration or other things. So the machine is very, very sensitive and always prompts the nurse to come close whenever there is a problem. It has its own dialyzer, it has blood lines, it also has bicarbonate and then the acid concentrate, that's the C204. HealthTech Ghana Limited has all these consumables and can constantly supply any health facility who needs them.
To any organization or facility which wants to venture into dialysis, I will recommend HealthTech Ghana for you. This is because since the inception of this unit, we've never had any major faults with these machines. HealthTech Ghana has a very excellent support system when it comes to after-sales management. Their engineers are always ready to assist us when we have any issues with the machines.
So, are you a healthcare facility looking to expand into dialysis? Look no further. Contact us today for a complete solution and support. Thank you.